Hey everyone, so what is PlayStation Now? So recently it is trending and more people are discovering it. So it's basically a subscription service available on PlayStation 4, 3, 2. And yeah, these are like hundreds of these games which are available to play and you can just get instant access. And yeah, you can use it on PS5 as well. So you can either download or stream. And then of course it's just like a monthly subscription, so either you pay 59 for yearly subscription 12 months, 9.99 for 1 month, or 3 months for 24.99. So there you have it. So it's just like a Netflix in PlayStation, as you can think about it. So you just pay a monthly subscription and then you have access to all these games in PlayStation Now. So that's the service. And then there are some gift cards and all of that. And then let's just discover, you can go to this website, PlayStation Now, playstation.com/PS Now, and then you can see all these games. So you can see that Red Dead Redemption is available until 1st November, Olympic Games official video game, Judgment, The Witcher. Then let's see all the games here, and then you can just look in them in the alphabetical order. So yeah, a pretty huge collection of the games here. So you can, what you need, so it's available via PS5 or PS4 home screen. You can join on your console, PlayStation Store. So what you need: PlayStation Network account, DualSense DualShock wireless controller, PS Now subscription or free trial, an active broadband connection, at least 5 megabit per second or higher. Or you can also use PS Now on PC. So which devices are supported? And PlayStation is available currently in these countries. So it's a bunch of European countries: US, UK, Japan, Canada. So not all around the world. So yeah. So there you have it. Try it out. I think it's a huge deal. So super interesting.